In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export photos in Lightroom Classic. If you've been working on your images in Lightroom and you're ready to share them with the world, exporting them properly is an essential step. Whether you're looking to send them to social media, print, or simply store them on your computer, following these steps will ensure you have the highest quality outcome. First, you need to make sure you're in either the library or the Develop module of Lightroom Classic. This is where your photo editing journey likely began, and it's where you'll select the photos you want to export. Take a moment to carefully choose the images you're ready to share. You can select a single photo, multiple images, or even an entire collection. Once you have your selections made, it's time to navigate to the export dialog. You can find this by going up to the top of your screen, clicking on File, then selecting Export. Alternatively, if you prefer a shortcut, you can simply right-click on any of the selected images, go to Export, and then choose Export again. This will bring up the Export dialog box, which is where all the magic happens. Within the Export dialog, you're going to see a series of panels, each with its own distinct purpose. The first is Export Location, which is crucial as it determines where on your computer the exported files will be saved. Choose a folder that's easy for you to remember and access later. Next, you'll find the File Naming panel. Here, you have the option to rename your files if you wish. This can be particularly useful if you want to implement a naming structure that makes your photos easier to find in the future, or that matches a specific project or theme. Moving on to File Settings, this is where you decide on the format of your exported images. Options include JPEG, TIFF, and a few others. You'll also choose the color space and set the desired quality. Consider what you'll be using the images for. A JPEG might be ideal for web use, while a TIFF is suited for high-quality prints. Under Image Sizing, you can set the dimensions or choose whether you want to resize your images at all. Consider the purpose of your export. Does it need to be full resolution, or perhaps resized for faster uploads to the web? Output. Sharpening is another feature to consider. Decide if your images should be sharpened further for screen viewing or for print. This can bring out those extra details and make a significant difference in the final appearance of your photos. The Metadata panel allows you to control which information is embedded in the image files. This could include details such as camera settings or copyright information, which might be important for professional uses. Don't forget the watermarking option. This is where you can add a text or graphic watermark to protect your images or to brand them as your own. Finally, there's the Post-Processing panel. This allows you to select any follow-up actions to perform automatically after the export is complete, such as opening the files in another application. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, simply click the Export button at the bottom of the dialog box. Lightroom Classic will then process your files, applying all of your chosen settings, and save them to your designated location. And there you have it. Your images are now ready for whatever comes next, whether that's sharing, printing, or safekeeping. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you enhance your workflow in Lightroom Classic.